What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kato back again with another video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the Remark Exhaust. Yes, finally it's here. I'm going to show you how to install it. Hey, alright, about to show them how to do something. It's about time, right guys? Yeah. Man, what you mean? I always show them how to do stuff. Come on, man. It was just one, alright, two times. Come on, man. Chill on me. I mean, fair enough, but damn, man, I don't know how to do suspension now. I know how to do all the other stuff you taught me and them, but now I don't know how to do suspension, so come on. Man, it's alright. I'll probably show you a way, like, how to do it later on. Come on, man. Get out of here, dog. Anyways, like I was saying, we got the exhaust, and let's just do it. Come on, guys. Come on. Bye. Okay, so first thing you want to do, you want to get the car jacked up, and let's go ahead and remove the clamps or whatever they're called. I don't know. I don't really care. The hooks, you know. So we're gonna remove it from the exhaust. So let's go ahead and get started. Use some PB blaster so it can slide out easily, and I'm using like a little stick to pull it out, kind of like this. I put it in, and then I pull out like that. Let's try. I actually just left one hook on because there's one there, one back there, and then, there's two back there, two in front, and then two on each side. But I left one hooked in because now we're gonna have to go close to the front of the car and unhook that one right there. And then we're gonna, before we unhook that, we're gonna actually unbolt it from the front pipe. So you're gonna have to get that bottom panel down, which if you don't know how, I have my down pipe video. Go ahead and watch that, and let's go ahead and do it. Alright, so I barely took it off. I didn't take it off all the way because I can now reach the front pipe. So I have the CNT front pipe, so these bolts might be a little bit different than yours. So mine are 14, so go ahead and unbolt this. This is the front pipe back here, and this is the exhaust running down. And then you're going to want to unclamp this once you finally unscrew that. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got that bolted in. This is the mid pipe right here. And then I also got it clamped in over there. So now we're just going to put this back up because I have very limited time and space. So I don't have time to check and see if it's leaking. So I'm just going to put it back in. Alright, so I just put the second pipe in. So you're going to put the little clamp or middle piece gasket, or yeah, the gasket. And then you're going to use the bigger bolts because it comes with two sets of bolts. So you're going to use the bigger bolt on the second one. Make sure you put the gasket in between. And don't tighten it all the way, just loosely tighten it. And I'm going to go put the big one in now, the muffler now. So what you want to do first is clamp in the clamps. Right here, you got to kind of angle it towards here because of this side. Same thing with the front. And then you want to bolt this in. And then what I did, I tightened up the front, then I tightened up the middle. By the front pipe, I already tightened that up before, but as you can see, there it is. Looks pretty nice. So let's hear how it sounds. Alright guys, this is a cold start here. Gonna be the Remark exhaust with a stock downpipe. Remark exhaust, catless downpipe. am just digging that exhaust. Now that I have the downpipe in there, it sounds great. It sounds great. Now, if you're gonna do the exhaust without the downpipe, it's gonna give it a nice little deeper tone. It's still gonna be a little bit quiet, but it's also gonna be a little bit louder than stock exhaust. And now that you have no resonator, it's also gonna be you're gonna hear more pops more pops than the regular, more pops than the stock exhaust. There we go. All right. So yeah, but I highly recommend you get a downpipe, and mine's a CNT downpipe. So if you get a PRL, because I know they're 3-inch, I don't think mine's is 3-inch. So I think it'll sound a little bit different, maybe even a little bit louder. But yeah, definitely digging the exhaust. You guys should definitely go out there and get the Remark exhaust, and I think it's actually one of the cheaper exhausts. So yeah, thumbs up for that one. And stay tuned. I am gonna do a review of all my parts, so just hang in there, guys. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because there's going to be some awesome content coming in, and you guys don't want to miss that, all right? So don't forget, number one thing, don't spread hate, spread love. All right, guys. Have a good one. All right. Peace out.